The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and today I'm going to discuss restoring the responsibilities of a disabled person under an Illinois guardianship. So the good news is, as long as the guardian and the ward are in agreement, the restoration process is going to be fairly simple. The guardian, the disabled individual, or someone on behalf of the disabled individual can request the guardianship petition, but a minimum of 3 things must be true. 1, a report from a qualified physician must support the disabled individual's increased physical and/or mental capacity. 2, the disabled person no longer wants the guardianship or wants to limit the guardianship. 3, the guardian agrees that the restoration is in the disabled person's best interest. The process begins when the petition for restoration is requested via letter, phone call, or in person. A guardian ad litem may be assigned to investigate and make sure everything checks out, and if the guardian and the GAL agree the ward no longer needs guardianship or needs to have the guardianship modified, the court will initiate the order. If you have questions about guardianships in Illinois, please give us a call, and as always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed that video. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, so if you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks again for watching.